Welcome to ATP Customs. Well, acquired another one. Thank you, John. We have another Squarebody in the yard. This is a 1987 3/4 ton 4x4, 350 4-speed, fuel injected. So it's got the TBI, and it's all original. And it has factory dual shocks. And it actually has winter tires on it. Traction Kings. Really amazing thing. It has decent door panels. It has a decent dash pad. I can't believe it. Every time I drag one of these home, the dash pad's always completely toast. It's got a little crack up there. But I can use it. It smells horrific. The mice have been in here. But I don't care. I got another Squarebody. An 87 is one of my favorites. I don't know if this is a Chevy or a GMC. There's no badges on it. It's been repainted. It used to be brown and now it's white. The papers have not been delivered yet, and the grill has no emblem on it. I've actually never seen a grill like that. And the headlights. I'm obviously not 100%. I thought 87 had the over-under headlights if it's a Chevy, and when we built the Zombie was an 89 crew cab. It had that style of headlight bezel, and it was a GMC, so I'm thinking this is a GMC. I just don't know yet. It's got a decent bumper. It's a perfect start. What's the plan? What's the plan? Well, my dad seems to really want to get it going. He thinks the fuel pump's out of it, or not quite sure why it's not running. But I want to build this one. I want a work truck, and I want a cool work truck to represent the company. So I already have a 1-ton dually that's a crazy build. I would like a factory-looking dually, and I know it's a 3/4 ton. All I got to do is get a box and the fenders from Wally's Fenders. I think they're $3.99 for a pair US. I'm sure shipping will creep it up to $1,000 Canadian by the time they get here. But I would like to make a dually 4x4 out of this with a lift and just use it for my work truck, but it's got to represent the company, so it's got to look awesome. I do not need the Dana 60 front end for my work truck. I do not need the big 1-ton frame for what I'm doing. So that's what I'd like to see. I've already completely designed it. Just a matter of when can we get to it. But we'll make it run pretty soon. Have a go at it. Snow's supposed to start this weekend. I'm kind of excited to see snow. The first snow is always really exciting to me. But there you go. We got another Squarebody. I love it. It's completely stock. It hasn't been messed with. That's the exciting part to me. So thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe.